Hi guys, Johnny O here. I have a 1987 Grand National and I'm about to have it restored. I'm the original owner of the car. I've driven it 350,000 miles. It's been painted once, and in this next restoration we're going to paint it, and I'm going to have it painted, and I'm going to replace a lot of parts and make it as nice as I can within a reasonable cost. Been ordering a bunch of stuff that you can see here, and some friends of mine asked me to make a video and talk about some of the parts that I've purchased. So let's see here. We've got it's a T-top car. We've got T-top weather stripping and door weather stripping. New headlight bezels, turn signal markers that go in the headlights. The lower running lights for the car. Got a new dash pad. Mine is cracked. And one of the things I like about this is it's made with a newer plastics technology, and it should be more resistant to the ultraviolet light. This came from a place called GBodyParts.com. New sill plates. And these sill plates also came from GBodyParts, and they're thicker than the stock sill plates, so they'll probably be a little more durable. New badging for the car. The intercooled badges, Grand National badges, Buick badge for the grill. I got a new grill over there. New wiper blades. New B-pillar trim. With my car being driven a lot, this has some dings in it and stuff, and putting new parts on like this will make it look that much nicer. New 3.8 logos for the hood. New window motors. Since I'm going to have the car apart, I might as well replace those. New lock switches for the doors. Mine are all scuffed up. These will look good because the chrome doesn't have any marks on them. New door panels, new refurbished steering wheel, leather wrapped. Inside door handle for the passenger side. On my car it's looking pretty crummy, so we're going to replace that. New grill springs. New locks. So they're black, so the body shop doesn't have to paint those. Those will look good. New door handles. No sense having the body shop paint my door handles if I can buy nice new ones that look like this. I put a Scantmaster in the car a while back. I pulled that out. No sense having that in the car while it's at the body shop. And I bought a center console gauge pod for it. I have a new passenger side air dam. The GNX wheel, you probably wonder why that's up there. I bought GNX wheels for it a couple of years ago. I pulled those off the car because there's no sense having those on the car while it's at the body shop. I do want to say, when I bought this, I started buying parts. I ordered a few things from one vendor, and then found another vendor that had a few more parts. And those first two vendors, they didn't have everything that I wanted. And then I found this place called GBodyParts.com. I started poking around their website, and they have a huge selection of parts for our cars. And everything that you see on the table is available at GBodyParts.com, and I recommend that you check them out. I hope to make some more videos and talk in more detail about some of the parts. Thank you very much.